Yuvernash bin Hashim, and our group, the Bluberryice, will be presenting on our independent car parking system. For the introduction, the independent car parking system is a system that provides parking for two or more cars. We have taken inspiration and reference from existing patents and documents to better understand the requirements to make a similar product and increase our probability of success. We are required to design an independent car parking system.
Hi, I'm Yuvernash, and I'll be now discussing the designs in market or our inspiration for our design. Firstly, I'd like to talk about the evolution parking system. It is a two-level parking system for saving space with a rotating platform so cars do not need to turn their car horizontally. Lastly, there is a personalized security key system for added security reasons. Next, I'll be discussing about the Quadro Parker, or otherwise known as the invisible parking system. The key feature is that it utilizes underground parking space. Therefore, more cars can be fit into an underground slot, and the number of cars depends on the depth of this underground space. And lastly, the top platform is traversable, so it can be driven over smoothly. Lastly, we have the Kit Parker system. It is similar to the previous Quadro Parker in the sense that it is an extremely good space saver. It allows two cars park at a very limited space. The difference, however, is that the orientation of the cars is shifted to a tilted parking orientation. This allows a low maintenance cost because of the limited space used. Thank you.
So, hi, I'm Muhammad Haikal bin Zainol. We're talking about selection process. Firstly, we come up with four concepts coming from our group members. So basically, it consists of four design criteria, which is pillar, parking deck, arm, and joint. So we getting the highest rating from concept from Asyraf. The selected mechanism used is a T-pillar, cuboid shape with inclined plane, hydraulic arm, and lap joint. For the functional decomposition, why we using the four element is firstly, basically the pillar is constructed by a single piece of element or more. The pillar is chosen with design of rectangular of cross-sectional area. So basically, the function of the pillar is to stabilize the load. The second element is the parking deck. The parking deck using is shape in cuboid shape with inclined plane. We selected to be used in order to move the car easily inside the parking deck. The parking deck also act as to keep the car safely during certain time. Thirdly is arm. So we use the hydraulic arm as to control and hold the load holder. Hydraulic system is powered by the compressed hydraulic oil. Hydraulic system is easier to control the movement of the arm. Therefore, the arm can be used toward the target area easily. The advantage of hydraulic are able to move higher load and highly responsive compared to pneumatic. Lastly is the joint. We use the lap joint as small and big joint, which is made up from the steel material. Basically, the joint is used to control the expansion and contraction. That's all for me.
Next is the description of mechanism. As you can see, this is our model, and it allows for two or more cars to be parked, and users only need to park their cars on the platform, and the parking system will do the rest. The parking system will move the platform to its designated parking space. The platform can also move up and down to move past through any cars, and also detachable. For the appearance, our model have a total height of 4.5 meters, and the vehicle that can fit into our parking system have heights of 150 centimeter to 180 centimeter, and length of 500 centimeter to 520 centimeter. Our system has a length of 4 meters and a width of 2.3 meters, and the platform used had a standard grip or optional alu long life or easy walk independent parking to make sure that the car stays in place. This parking system is suitable for residential buildings, office buildings, hotels, private houses, and more.
Okay, hello. My name is Asyraf. So I will continue the presentation by discussing about the advantages and the disadvantages. For the advantages, the first one is that it is easily accessible for maintenance, as part is fairly simple because we only use an hydraulic cylinder and a detachable platform. The part is easy to assemble. The third one is that we have longer lifespan because using one joint movement only. And the next one is small load can be carried. And for the disadvantages, the hydraulic system is quite expensive. So the cost for the maintenance is high. And lastly, it is not stable when maximum load capacity exceeded because using only one pillar. So as for the conclusion, you can see that mechanical engineering plays an important role in enhancing safety, economic vitality, enjoyment, and overall quality of life throughout the world. For our design, project shows how mechanical fundamentals benefit the community. For our design, independent parking system will benefit a lot to the driver which have low parking skill. This is because they just need to park their car on top of the parking platform and the rest will be done by the parking system itself. Next one is that with the system, the parking spaces will increase as the system provides an upper level parking platform. Next one, that the upper level parking platform will strengthen the safety of the car. This is because the thief cannot reach the upper platform without permission from the owner of the car. Lastly, we all can agree that innovation can take place in our daily life that can ease everyone's day. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.